Liebert PSI5 Lithium-Ion UPS. Lithium-Ion, game-changing UPS battery technology. Long-lasting, twice as long as lead-acid VRLA batteries or longer. That means less maintenance, fewer or possibly no lithium-ion UPS battery replacements, lower total cost of ownership, up to 50% TCO savings versus VRLA over the life of the UPS, longer runtime, 2 to 3 times more runtime versus similar VRLA UPSs, peace of mind, 5-year advanced replacement warranty on battery and UPS, faster recharge, 100% battery capacity in 3 hours or less. High temperatures. Lithium-ion performs better in higher temperatures than VRLA. Plus all the same great PSI5 UPS features. Rotatable LCD monitor. Enables rack or tower configurations. Allows users to view real-time conditions, alarm notices, and runtime information. Hot swappable batteries. Easy to replace through the UPS front bezel. RoHS, compliant with restrictions of hazardous substances direction. Programmable outlets, extend runtime to critical loads by cycling power on the Vertiv Liebert PSI5 UPS 3000 VA 120 volt and other models. 0.9 output power factor means more watts go to supporting IT loads. Remote management, free power management software. Optional Unity cards enable remote SNMP and web-based monitoring and management.